Hey guys! Are you want to buy best-rated shocks and struts for Mustang GT? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best-rated shocks and struts for Mustang GT that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Monroe Quick-Strut 172138 Suspension Strut. Monroe shocks and struts are machined from high-grade steel and application-specific coil springs to restore ride height. It works well with self-leveling vehicles and even those that carry heavy loads or are used for towing. Also, hardening helps with durability. The internal design is air inflatable, which means you can inflate and deflate the shocks and struts to adjust the height and handle different weights of different vehicles. On the other hand, this Mustang shocks and struts for mild drag racing are also equipped with full lift valves. This feature ensures that you deliver a smooth ride even in the most extreme situations. In addition, this shock absorber has a piston with fluid bands. This band provides an even seal between the piston and pressure tube, increasing ride control and durability. Pistons. Additionally, these rear shocks feature OE weather fluid that resists high temperatures, reducing friction and smoothing rod response. Now our second product is Maxorber Full Set Front Rear Shock Struts Kit. Maxorber comes with a complete shock and strut set compatible with 1994 to 2004 Mustang models. These shock absorbers and struts with high-quality processing protect the suspension system from rust and offer a mileage of more than 50,000 kilometers. Another highlight of the product is that it features Japanese-made oil seals, so you will never experience a squeaking noise. It comes with integrated sleeves with barrels to minimize the chance of it snapping all the way around. In addition, the consistency in close contact allows for a decidedly stable damping force. And the pressurized N2 gas helps reduce distorted ventilation and eventual foaming. Its stem is made of hard chrome with a micro-cracked chrome surface for machining. Seamless cylinders and sleeves reduce the possibility of cracking and ensure intimate contact between piston and cylinder. Because it has powerful anti-foam and anti-foam properties, you don't have to worry about internal wear. Our third product is Detroit Axle Front N14 PC Suspension Kit. If you are looking for the best shock absorbers and struts for Mustangs, let me introduce you to Detroit Axle Shock Absorbers and Struts. The amazing 14-piece kit should fully secure your suspension. Also, its label is raised to match the contents. Sold in pairs, these shocks fit 2005 through 2008 Ford Mustang. These coiled shocks will add approximately 1.5 inches of travel to your truck. However, this depends on the condition of your sports car. The absorbers are immediately ready for use and can be installed without special tools. While not OEM parts, they are pretty close in terms of installation. This high-quality steel material forms the coil spring to give maximum structural strength. And it plays an active role in dissipating vibrations to cause discomfort. In addition, the upper strut mount holds high-quality bearings with bolts. Now number 4, PetMigo Front Lower Control Arms Suspension Kits. This 8-piece kit is a great replacement option for Ford Mustang models from 2005 to 2010, excluding Bullitt, Shelby, or Boss models. It includes everything needed for a complete suspension repair: front lower control arms with ball joints, sway bar end links, and inner and outer tie rod ends. Durably designed with high-strength steel tubing, these components offer superior strength and longevity. The additional coatings provide excellent rust and corrosion resistance, ensuring extended life for the control arms. Each part is engineered with pre-installed ball joints and bushings, helping to reduce road noise, vibration, and harshness for a smoother, quieter ride. The kit is designed as a direct fit replacement, ensuring proper steering alignment and compatibility with your Mustang. Before purchasing, make sure to confirm the fit for your specific vehicle model. This kit offers excellent quality, durability, and performance, making it a great choice for restoring your vehicle's suspension system. And our last choice is ECCPP Shock Struts Front Rear Shocks Absorbers Struts. These front and rear shock absorbers are compatible with the 2013 to 2015 Chevy Spark, part numbers 333-0089, 73019, 333-0090, 73020, 348036, 5537, and offer a significant upgrade to your vehicle's suspension system. The shock absorbers play a critical role in stabilizing your vehicle's handling, operating up to 1,900 times per mile to ensure consistent tire-road contact for improved control. The result is a smooth, controlled, and confident ride, as these shocks continuously adapt to varying road conditions. This dynamic adjustment provides exceptional road-holding capability and enhances your overall driving experience. For optimal performance, it's recommended to replace shocks in pairs, and to install a new mounting kit or protection kit to prevent premature wear. These shock absorbers are essential for maintaining a smooth and comfortable driving experience, especially on bumpy or uneven roads. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.